recognize the member for Surrey Fleetwood. Thanks for your help.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to ask a question about the outpatient facility being built in Surrey. Madam Speaker, Minister of Health has Minister of Health fell in love with the city of Surrey for quite a while, quite some time. And I know Minister goes to city of Surrey every Friday to deliver a talk show. And I'm sure that the Minister understands very clearly the healthcare needs of the people of Surrey. And but I would like to ask very brief questions. The first question is around the outpatient facility. Madam Speaker, in 2005, the Fraser Health Authority submitted a report to the Minister of Health, and a key recommendation in that report was to build a new outpatient facility to meet the healthcare needs of the people of the Surrey. And subsequently, the then Minister of Health went to Surrey and actually embraced that recommendation, saying that the government actually will work on that. And subsequent to that, Madam Speaker, the Premier went to Surrey and made the announcement that the government is going to build the outpatient facility. And my understanding, Madam Speaker, is that that facility is quite ready, and there may be a ribbon-cutting ceremony in the near future. And I would like to ask the Minister, when will the new outpatient facility will be ready for operation, and what are the staffing requirements to run that facility?
Minister of Health.
Thanks, Madam Chair. I happily see the member for Stikeen, and a moment ago I indicated that we received some additional information on the matter, and if the member for Surrey will permit me, I'll relay that information to his colleague so that he can get on with whatever other obligations he may have. Here's the facts that we have been able to determine. Over the past 3 years, the following number of patients have been medevaced out of Dease Lake. In 07-08, it was 33. In 08-09, 18 patients. In 09-10, 23 patients medevaced out of Dease Lake at the airport. The no night flight announcement that is the subject of our discussion today and was yesterday took effect on March the 23rd of 2011. And while physicians have some experience in how to manage through those restrictions, and of course in Dease Lake are confronted by some other meteorological challenges, we understand the concern relating to the more limited use of the airport. Ultimately, the responsibility for maintenance at Dease Lake rests with the local airport authority, and that's under the jurisdiction of Transport Canada. But I have been assured by staff from the BC Ambulance Service that Transport Canada and Northern Health have been working to try and solve the issue for the last number of weeks, and are continuing to work closely with the Stikeen Airport Society and municipality to ensure supports for the provision of emergency air transport for Dease Lake residents are met. That's probably a rather long-winded way of saying that all of the relevant agencies seem to be working together to try and address the issue and the impediment that has been in place since March the 23rd. That's the update I have for the member today, and we'll endeavour to keep him informed as progress is made.